we can move a piece using our mouse, but it's still not cool because the moving piece doesn't follow our mouse. What I mean is, for example, if we move this piece to here, ideally the piece should follow our mouse, right? Let's make it happen today. So to do that, we'll use one of the mouse listener methods. Mouse dragged, it's here. Mouse, oh no, it's not here. So it means we need another interface. So it's mouse movement, mouse motion, sorry, it's mouse motion listener. So this is mouse listener. Let's add another one. Mouse motion, yeah, control space to autocomplete. Mouse motion listener. So this is also a Java AWT event interface. So let's see what we need to add. There are 3 methods to add. Click that. Add unimplemented methods. Double click. So let's check. So we can put a comment there. So mouse motion listener methods. It starts from here, and the previous mouse listener methods are here. Mouse pressed, mouse clicked. Yeah, it starts from here. Okay. So we care about this one, mouse dragged. Let's give it a test. Oh, don't forget here. Add mouse motion listener. Same idea, this. Now let's print out mouse drag. Yeah, delete that. SYSO, control space. We, like always, we change this to mouse event because E sounds like exception. So print out me.getPoint. Yeah. Run it. Now try to move our mouse here, and I click, hold on, and move. You see? It keeps changing. Yeah, it works. To let the moving piece follow our mouse, we need a variable to represent our moving piece. So let's create one here. Actually, we need 2. The one is its location. Private point moving piece xy, its location, and the next one is its image. Moving piece image. Okay. So when we press down our mouse, we want to remember the moving piece image, right? So is moving piece equals BRD. Remember, we have a handy method, piece. No? Okay, let's see. Piece at. Do we have piece at? Yes. Now, because we need that in the other class, so we have to remove the private. So we can get this, we can access this method here. Piece at. Yeah. So it's from column dot x from column row dot y. This is how we get the piece which we are trying to move. So if moving piece is nil, right? It's not nil now. It's not empty. We can move it. Otherwise, we'll just do nothing. Now we can remember this moving piece image. Moving piece image equals. Remember, we can get the image from our dictionary, which is the map. The map is CChess is a static variable, key value, and get. What's the key? Moving piece dot image name, right? Every piece knows its own the file image file name. And what should we do when mouse released? Right? We should reset everything. So from column and row, reset to nil to now. And the moving piece location now. Moving piece image nullified. Then repaint. That's how we get rid of the moving piece. Right? After we release the after the moving finish. Now let's go back to mouse drag. What should we do here? Let's get this mouse tip. Need.get point. We don't need this one. Delete that. So we'll update, right? Moving piece location equals, create a new point with the XY. So mouse tip dot x. Don't forget, we needed to handle the offset of, because the anchor point of the image is on the top left of the image, but we want to let the image center follow our mouse tip. So that's why we use that to cancel to put the image center at the mouse tip. So when we update this location data, we repaint. So this will, like in every fraction of, like small fraction of second, right? When we move the mouse, it keeps repainting the moving image, the whole image, including the moving, excuse me, including the moving piece with the updated location. That's the algorithm for that. But still, we haven't painted it. That should be inside the paint component. So let's go to paint component. Yes. So draw all the pieces and let's put our code here. If moving piece image is not null, right? We'll draw the image. We'll use this one. Moving piece image, yes. XY obviously is moving piece location, right? Dot X. Cat and no. Can we just that? Do that? Yeah. So moving piece XY dot Y observer. We can put now here. Let's give it a try. So let's try to move this piece. Nice. Let's move back. There's still a small problem, because when we move this, we'd better hide the original one, right? Like the original, the other rook in its original location. We better to hide that guy, right? Let's fix this. So it means in draw pieces here, we'd better to hide one of all the pieces, the one which we are moving. How can we do that? So we'll exclude that one. So if from column and row is not now, and from column dot x equal this piece, and from column row y equals p dot row, continue. Why? Because this one is already drawn as a moving piece image. Right? When we start drawing a piece, we find the piece at this location from column and from from column row. It means the from location. So if the from location in this for loop will go through all the pieces on board. So we'll exclude the one we are moving because we already let that piece follow our mouse tip. So we'll repaint all the other except this one. Now let's give it a try. This time, move. Yes, yes. There's no remaining the piece with the same image in the old place. Yeah. Cool. That's it for today. See you next time.